credit cards are currently available by invitation only. This means you cannot apply for one unless you have received a direct offer from Ali, typically via mail or online. However, if you have received an invitation, the general steps to acquire an Ali credit card would involve: Phase 1. Investigate your invitation and card choices. Scrutinize the offer you received from Ali Bank. Understand the specific credit card being presented, its reward structure, if any, interest rates, fees, and any unique benefits tied to that particular card. If you've received multiple invitations for different Ali cards, carefully weigh the features of each to determine which aligns best with your financial habits and goals. Phase 2. Compile your necessary details. Organize the required personal and financial information to facilitate the application. This usually includes your full name, date of birth, social security number, contact information, residential history, employment details, annual income, and potentially bank account information for payments. Phase 3. Execute the application process. Carefully complete the application using the method specified in your invitation. This will likely involve visiting a unique web page provided in the offer or using an access code. Ensure all fields are filled accurately and honestly. You may need to electronically submit the gathered information. Phase 4. Finalize and transmit your request. Before you formally send in your application, take a moment to review all the entered details for any mistakes or omissions. Once you are certain everything is correct, submit the application through the designated online portal or as instructed in your invitation. Keep in mind that even with an invitation, approval is not guaranteed and is subject to Ali Bank's credit evaluation process.